Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to sell Bitcoin on eToro. If you don't have an eToro account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $10 when you buy $100 worth of crypto. Once you click on the link, it will take you to this page. At the bottom part, you'll see an option for Join eToro. Click on Join eToro. But if you already have an account, click on Log In. Now, sign in with your username or email and password. For verification, a 5-digit code will be sent to your phone number. Once received, enter it on the field provided. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs on the left side menu. Click on the Portfolio tab. On this page, you will see your assets. To proceed, click on the Sell button beside Bitcoin. Then a pop-up window will appear which shows the value you own. If you wish to sell it all, click on the Sell All button. But if you wish to make some changes, click on the blue text that says Select Specific Positions. And that's how you sell Bitcoin on eToro. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.